This is gallery of 64 art forms learned by Sri Krishna, Balrama and Sudama at Sandipamani Rishi Ashram. Now, see, this is the very first one form of art. The first art is Geet, sing songs and all. The second art form is Vadya. First they learnt singing and then instrumenting. Instruments, you see different instruments. There's Mridanga and the Bhagavan Sri Krishna's own flute. And the third one is Nritya. They learned Nritya as a third art. And next is Alekhya, painting. Alekhya, the fourth art. And the fifth one, this is Visheshkachet. And next, the sixth one, making decorative florals and all, floral designs. Seventh one is Pushpasaran, so making flower gardens. Seventh art is making flower garlands, and this is the third. This is the eighth art they learnt over here. Personal grooming, the ninth one, and this is ninth art. Mosaic tiling. Oh, there is mosaic tiling also. This is the ninth art, and then the 10th one, bedroom arrangement. Bedroom arrangement. Wow, swimming pool. What they are doing in this? Creating music with water. The 11th one. And likewise, we will continue in the next one. The 12th one is splashing and playing with water. Wow, they are playing with water and all. So likewise, we will continue. Again, bye. మనం ఇప్పుడు సాందీపముని ఆశ్రమంలో ఉన్నాము. వీఆర్ అట్ సాందీపముని ఆశ్రమ్ వేర్ శ్రీకృష్ణ, బలరామ అండ్ సుదామ హ్యాడ్ దేర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. సాందీపముని ఆశ్రమం ఇది. ఫీలింగ్ వెరీ ఒక డివైన్ ఫీల్. ఓ శ్రీకృష్ణ ऐसा భూమిలో కాలు పెట్టాము అని. వి ల్యాండెడ్. వి ఆర్ జస్ట్ రోమింగ్ అరౌండ్ వేర్ శ్రీకృష్ణ, బలరామ and all those people, those gods, actually they really lived here. They roamed around here. Such a lovely place, such a lovely feeling. It's a divine feeling actually. So likewise, there are 64 kala Chamsat Vidya, means 64 art forms. They learn 64 arts. So his 64 pics. They represent all 64 kalas they learnt over here. So I cannot read all these things because shortage of time. We have to go back to Bhopal today and catch train. Yes, it's a nice feel actually. So Devabhumi, you can say. This is such a nice feeling, no? So just imagine yourself walking on the same land where this Krishna and Balrama, they roamed around, they studied, they see Krishna, Balrama, Sri Krishna, Balrama and Sudama with Sandipa Rishi. See, if you can read this, these are the Chamsat 64 arts they learnt here. This is the 14th one. Enti Malya Grantham. Malya Grantham. 16 art form, that is Malya Grantham. Malya Grantham. I don't know what is that. Okay. It's the 16th form. Shekhar Kapyoj. Oh. This is the 16th form of art. Nepatya Prayoga. Nepatya Prayoga. 16th form. And the 17th form is Karnapatra Bhanga. This is Karnapatra Bhanga, the 17th form. See, they are doing something. Karnapatra. Ear decoration. That is Karnapatra. And next is Gandhayukti. Gandhayukti is perfumery. Okay. See, they are making some perfume, it seems. Perfumery. That is the 18th art they learnt. And next is the Bhushan Yojan. Bhushan Yojan is jewelry making. Oh, they learned jewelry making also over here. Actually, the sun lighting nights disturbing. Next is Indrajala. The Indrajala is magic of illusion. Oh, they learned this here. The 21st art is, what is that name? Kahumar. Huh?
Kahumar.
Means?
Ointment for charm and virility.
Oh, Kahumar is ointment for charm and fertility. Okay. I didn't understand much. Whatever. And the 22nd Hastalaghav. And second art is Hastalaghav, manual dexterity. Actually, the initial ones I missed those. This is 23rd. Enti Vichitra Shakyu. I don't know.
Vichitra Saki use of Kriya.
Skill of cooling, eating, and drinking. This is, I think, this is easy for me to read over here. तो मैं कुजिन में art of cuisine में basically. They learnt everything. Next is beverage and dessert preparations. Okay. You know, actually, Bhagavan Sri Krishna learnt all this in 64 days, and he completed his education in 64 days itself. This is 25th one. Sewing, making, and mending garments. You just see the pics also. See, सिलाई कर रहे देखो इसमें इसे with thread and needle. They are learning thread needle work. Here they learned, and the next one is embroidery. Sutat Krida. That is they learned embroidery also over here. I don't know actually this playing veena and drums. This is good. This is entertainment. And next comes riddles and rhymes. This is some brain related one. And next is Pratimala. This is poetry and rhymes. They learn poetry. Yeah, that's good. And next is Dhruva Chakya Yoga. That is tongue twister and difficult recitation. Tongue twisters and difficult recitations. And next is Pustaka Vachan. Pustaka Vachan is literary recitation. Next is drama and storytelling. Drama and storytelling. I think you see वहाँ पर श्रीवधानुष का वाला हो. That is drama and storytelling. And Kavya Samsya Puran. Kavya Samsya Puran. Verse composition game. And next is furniture making. 34th art is furniture making. And next is Takshakarma. This Takshakarma is furniture caning. Okay. The sixth one is furniture caning again. This is furniture caning. And next is Vastu Vidya. Oh, architecture. Architecture. Next is distinguishing between ordinary and precious stones and metals. Okay. Next comes the 39th Vidya. Dhativad, metalworking. You can see the liquid form of the metal there. This Sandepa Muni, Krishna Balarama and Sudama. Next, gems and mining. Oh, in mining also they are doing. See, mining also they are learning here. Mining. Next, gardening and horticulture. These are 64 art forms they learned here. Games of wagers involving animals. Okay. This is 42nd. And next is, you see this? Cock the diddle. Training parrot and mynas to speak. This is good. Parrots and mynas to speak. They're training them. Oh, good. And hairdressing do. Oh, you see, Krishna and Balrama, they're doing hairdressing to Sandepa Muni. Oh, nice. And 45th art form is decoding messages. Wow. Decoding messages. So, joining the dots. Speaking in code. They are learning code language. They learned code language also. And next is, see, imagine what could be the next one. Knowledge of foreign languages and dialects. Next, making flower carriages. You see, those days no vehicles and all, vehicle decoration, no car decoration, carriage decoration. They learned car decoration also, decorating vehicles. Next is spells, charms and omens. Spells, charms and omens. Good. We don't know if all these come under Vidya, some art form. We don't know, no? All this. This I could not see. I can't read from here. Yantra Mantrika. Yantra Mantrika, maybe some missionary work. Yantra Mantrika Vidya. The name of this is Yantra Mantrika. Yantram, some goats. No? Next is memory training. Oh, what is memory training? What? Good. See, memory training. Right. And the next one is game of reciting verses from hearing. Good. Like we used to do in our schools when we were in kindergarten and all. Those days it was like this. Education system was like that. Meaning of words. Meaning of words. Shabd. Word meanings and all. The 54th art form is dictionary study. Okay. This is dictionary study. And now the next one is 55th one. Huh? What is it, Nano? What is that?
Prosody.
Prosody. Okay.
Chandigyan.
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 Chand. Chandgyan. Chandasus maybe is part of grammar. Karyakalap. Kriyakalapam. Okay. Artful dressing. The next form is artful dressing. Nowadays also actually during festival season people do this kind of dress up, no? Artful dressing. This is also again artful dressing. But drama and all we do different dressings. This is art. Games of dice. Games of dice. The next form. This is. The 60th form is Akarshakriya. Akarshakriya. A dice game played on a board. We used to play this, na? Next one is the 60. This is making wooden toys. Vinayaki Vidya. This is Vinayaki Vidya. What is Vinayaki Vidya actually? Personal etiquette and animal training. This is personal etiquette and animal training. Next one is, see this, knowledge of charmic warfare. Knowledge of charmic warfare and victory. The last, the 64th Vidya, they learnt. This is the last Vidya actually they learnt. The 64th one, physical culture. So actually what I feel after doing or seeing all these things, we don't really need so much physical, physics and all. We have brain, if we have brain, we have art, that's more than enough. This comes at last. Strength. So physical strength comes last and rest they learnt everything. And this is the 64th art, the last art they learnt. Okay, bye. Bye for now. We'll join again.